Welcome to HomePantryPro, your ultimate destination for all things home and kitchen tech. Today, we're diving deep into a compact and versatile kitchen gadget that promises to revolutionize your cooking, whether you're at home or on the go. We're talking about the Audecook electric hot pot with a 2-liter capacity and a 8-inch ceramic glaze non-stick frying pan. Is this portable cooker the culinary companion you've been searching for? Let's find out. Right off the bat, the Audecook electric pot impresses with its dual-purpose design. It's not just a hot pot, it's a veritable mini-kitchen. The 2-liter capacity is generous enough for a single person or a couple, and the high rim, measuring at 2.1 inches, is perfect for a variety of cooking styles. What truly sets this apart is the integrated steamer insert. This allows you to steam vegetables and meat simultaneously above while cooking something else below, or of course, use them independently. The claim is that this method preserves essential vitamins and nutrients, leading to more flavorful food, and we're eager to put that to the test. Moving on to its multifunctionality, this is where the Audecook really shines. It boasts a dual power control system, which is incredibly convenient. You have a low power setting at 350 watts, ideal for delicate tasks like making omelets, simmering ramen, or cooking pancakes. Then, there's the high power setting at 800 watts, perfect for more robust cooking needs such as steaming salmon, frying fries, whipping up a full hot pot meal, or quickly sautéing vegetables and steaks. The ability to cook and sauté without needing a traditional stove is a huge advantage, especially for those with limited kitchen space or for anyone who enjoys cooking in unconventional settings. This makes it a really compelling gift choice for any cooking enthusiast. Health and durability are clearly priorities for Audecook. The interior of the pot is constructed from an 8H hardness aluminum alloy, which is not only durable but also remarkably easy to clean, so much so that they even suggest you can use a wire brush without worry. But the real star here is the food-grade non-stick coating. It's PFOA-free, which is excellent news for health-conscious consumers. This coating ensures food slides off the surface smoothly, preventing sticking and making cleanup a breeze. It's reassuring to know that the materials used are safer and more environmentally friendly. When it comes to cooking performance, the Audecook employs a unique 360-degree annular heating base. This design is engineered to heat food more quickly and evenly across the non-stick surface, which is crucial for consistent results. They've also incorporated an improved overheating protection system. The unit will automatically power off if the pan temperature exceeds 180 degrees Celsius, offering a significant safety feature and preventing potential damage to the appliance or your food. Portability is another key selling point for this mini hot pot cooker. Its compact size and lightweight design make it an ideal companion for RV trips, travel, dorm rooms, small apartments, hotels, and even camping. The stability is also well thought out. It features a 4-leg non-slip design and a balanced pot body to effectively prevent slipping and tipping, which is a common concern with portable appliances. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the positive side, the dual power settings offer excellent versatility for a wide range of dishes. The non-stick coating is genuinely effective and makes cleanup incredibly simple. The inclusion of a steamer insert adds another layer of functionality, allowing for healthier cooking methods. Its portability is outstanding, making it suitable for a multitude of living situations and travel scenarios. The safety features, like the automatic shut-off, provide peace of mind. However, there are a few points to consider. While 2 liters is a good capacity, for larger families or serious entertaining, it might be a bit restrictive. The 800-watt high-power setting is decent. But for very rapid searing or high-temperature frying, some might find it slightly underpowered compared to a dedicated stovetop element. Also, while it's advertised as a frying pan, for truly deep frying, you'd want to manage oil levels carefully given the depth. In conclusion, the Audecook electric hot pot is a remarkably versatile and well-designed kitchen appliance that punches well above its weight in terms of functionality and portability. It's perfect for individuals, couples, or anyone looking for a convenient way to cook a variety of meals with minimal fuss. From quick breakfasts to elaborate hot pot dinners, this little cooker can handle it all. Its ease of use, simple cleanup, and safety features make it a standout product in the portable cooking market. If you're looking to expand your cooking capabilities without taking up much space, this Audecook is definitely worth considering. Link in the description.